Today, we are solving WASSCE July 2009 question 4b. This is a geometry and trigonometry question involving a right-angled triangle and a perpendicular height. In the diagram, XYZ is a triangle. We are given that XZ equals 3 centimeters, YZ equals 5 centimeters, and both angle YXZ and angle XNZ are right angles. We are asked to find the length, xn. Study the diagram carefully. This prepares us for the next step. There are two important triangles here. First, the large triangle XYZ. Second, the smaller triangle XCN. We will use the large triangle to find an angle, then use the small triangle to find xn. Angle YXZ equals 90 degrees. Implies length of YZ is opposite the right angle. Implies length of YZ is the hypotenuse. Length of YZ equals 5 centimeters. Length of XZ equals 3 centimeters. Our plan is simple. First, we find angle XYZ, then we find angle XCN. Finally, we use the smaller triangle XCN to find XN. From triangle XYZ, we want angle XYZ. The side opposite angle, Y, is XZ, and the hypotenuse is YZ. So we use sine because sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Substitute XZ equals 3 and YZ equals 5. This gives sin of angle XYZ equals 3 over 5 equals 0.6. To find the angle, take inverse sine of 0.6. This gives angle XYZ equals 36.87 degrees. Now we find a third angle in a large triangle. The angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So, angle XEY equals 53.13 degrees. Y and Z lie on the same straight line. Ang exitera igual ang exitera. Now notice carefully that Y, N, and Z lie on the same straight line. Therefore, the angle between ZX and ZN is the same as the angle between ZX and ZY. So, angle XZN equals 53.13 degrees. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now use the smaller right-angled triangle, XCN. The angle at Z is 53.13 degrees. The side opposite this angle is XN, and the hypotenuse is XE. So again, we use sine because sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Substitute angle XEN equals 53.13 degrees, and XE equals 3 centimeters. Multiply both sides by 3 to make XN the subject. Length of XN equals 3 sin of 53.13 degrees. Sin of 53.13 degrees, 0.7999. Length of xn equals 3, 0.7999. Length of xn equals 2.3997. Length of xn, 2.4 centimeters. As a quick check, since yz equals 5 and xc equals 3, the other side, xy, is 4. So the large triangle is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. The area can be found in two ways. Using the two perpendicular sides, the area is 1 over 2, 3, 4 equals 6. Using base, yz equals 5, and height, xn, the area is 1 over 2, 5 times xn. This confirms that xn equals 2.4 centimeters. Therefore, the length of xn is 2.4 centimeters. To summarize, we first used the large triangle xyz to find the angle at y. Then we found the angle at z. Finally, we used the small triangle xen to find xn equals 2.4 centimeters. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step mathematics lessons.